How to disconnect a Google account from Reddit. You can do it directly from your account settings. In this video, I'll show you how. First, open the Reddit app on your phone. Next, tap on your profile avatar in the bottom corner of the screen. Then, tap the three-line menu in the top corner of the screen. Now, go to Settings. From the Settings menu, select Account Settings. Here, look for the option for your connected Google account, then tap Disconnect or Remove next to it. If you haven't created a Reddit password yet, Reddit may ask you to set one before you can disconnect your Google account. Simply enter a password and tap Confirm. After confirming the change, your Google account will be successfully disconnected from Reddit. Once removed, you'll need to use your Reddit username, email address, and password to sign in instead of the Google login option. And that's how to disconnect a Google account from Reddit. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more Reddit tips and account management tutorials.